Artist editions are decorative products for the kitchen and bathroom. And what makes them special is that they go beyond the function. They combine technology, craftsmanship, design, and inspiration to become one-of-a-kind products that tell your story. Kohler's Glass Studio combines the know-how of a global manufacturing company with the handcraft, one-of-a-kind products of each of their pieces.
You're not going to find two that are identical. Every piece is one of a kind.
They're not just pieces that come from a machine. Every piece is handcrafted by Danielle. Salute and Yepson are our latest glass introductions.
They entrusted me with making these pieces work, from melting down raw material to shipping them out of this department. It's all me, and that's why I love it.
For Salute, we got inspired by the champagne coupe glasses and the softness of the curve, and then the ribbing pattern. In Italian, when you do cheers, you say salute. For Yepson, we found the inspiration on carved textures on architectural facades. The amount that can be held in your hands, when you put your hands together, that's what Yepson means. I'm really into creating beautiful objects to make people's life better, to give a gracious experience like we do here at Kohler.